marinig, Pisces, no? From your inner self. Let's see. Kuha tayo ng one card here for you, Pisces. What's the message, no, from your inner self? So, you have this, don't quit, no? So, sinasabihan ka rito, no? Huwag kang mawala ng pag-asa, right? Pisces, no? Ano man itong mga pinagdadaanan mo or ano man itong mga hindi mo masolve, nahihirapan ka ng sitwasyon, huwag ka raw susuko, no? Sabi ng iyong inner self here, no? Mga Pisces natin, right? No, no, for some of you na nawawalan na ng motivation, no, sa inyong sarili, right? No, ini-encourage ka ng inner self, no, na huwag kang huminto, no, don't quit, no, nasimulan mo na yan. So, huwag kang panghinaan ng loob, no, huwag kang mag-give up, right? No, may tamang panahon for that, no, whatever it is na mga Pisces natin, right? No, so huwag kang susuko, right? No, nasimulan mo na yan, right? No, at alam kong may magandang resulta yan, no? Kung ano man ito, right? No, na nahihirapan ka na, no? At walang kasing madali, right? No, lahat pinaghihirapan at from that may magandang resulta yan, right? Mga Pisces natin. So, huwag kang susuko, right? Sabi ng iyong inner self, right? No, so let's see, no, person on your mind. Tingnan natin, no, anong meron. Tingnan natin. Kuha tayo ng 3 cards here for you, Pisces. Person on your mind, no, the one you are dealing with, right? Let's see. For Pisces. Let's see. So you have these braids, vibrant apparel, and then oval face. No, so for some of you, no, the person you are dealing with, no, maybe, no, and again, no, vice versa, and no gender tayo here, right? No, maybe for some of you, maybe ikaw ito or person mo, right? No, so meron dito, no, mahilig sa braid, no, nagtitirintas ng buhok, right? No, mahilig sa gano'n na style ng kanyang hair. And then for some of you, no, mahilig siya sa mga matitingkad na color like purple, no, for some of you. And with the oval facer, medyo may pagkasabihin natin na mga, kumbaga sa contour, no, may pagka-contouring yung kanyang face, right? No, ma-cheekbone, no, matataas ang cheekbone, no, for some of you, right? No, so and of course, no, parang purple din dito, no? Maybe for some of you, mahilig sa purple tong color, itong tao na ito, no? The person you are dealing with, no? Mga Pisces natin, no? So, yeah, ayan yung mga traits na inyong person, no? The one you are dealing with, no? So, let's see, no? What else, no? Sa inyong dalawa, right? No? Let's see. Kuha pa tayo ng 3 cards here for you, Pisces. For Pisces, please. Ano pang meron for Pisces? So you have this regrets, mistakes, unfinished business, no? Unresolved situation, and then ex-lover, old spark. So yeah, no? The person on your mind or the person you are, di ba? Yeah, on your mind is someone, no? Someone from, someone, no? Your ex, no? Something like that, no? And this person is in regret, no? Or vice versa, right, no? And I think this person is returning, no? Or will return, no? Something like that, no? Mga Pisces natin, no? And ignite the old spark, right? No? Ignites the fire, no? Something like that, no? Dahil feeling ng tao na ito, no? May mga unresolved issues pa kayo, no? Something like that, no? May mga, parang, yeah, parang for this person is hindi pa kayo tapos, no? Something like that, right? No? And this person is in regret, no? Because admit niya, no? Alam niya may mga mistakes siyang nagawa, may mga kasalanan siyang nagawa sa inyo, right? And I think this person will return, no? Something like that, no? At ignite the old spark, no? Something like that, right? No, so nasa sa inyo yan, no? Ano bang nangyari, right? No, so let's see kung tatanggapin niyo pa ulit itong person na ito, right? No, so let's see. Tignan natin ano bang nangyari, right? No, tignan natin. What else, no? Tingnan natin ano ba nangyari sa inyo, no? Ng person na ito at kayo'y nagkaroon ng separation, no? For some of you, right? Mga Pisces, no? Let's see ano bang nangyari. Anong dahilan? Tingnan natin. Tingnan natin. So you have this ano ito? 3, 6, 9 of Pentacles, 2 of Cups in reverse, and then the star, no, in the almost reverse there, right? No, so for some of you, no, nakikita ko rito, right, no, nasira yung inyong relationship, right, no, in regards of finances, no, for some of you, nagkaroon ng financial issues, no, sa inyong relationship, mga, isa yun sa naging dahilan ng separation, no, for some of you, parang, I don't know kung anong nangyari, no, mga Pisces natin, medyo malaking pera ang nawala, no, for some of you, at nasira yung partnership, nasira yung parang pinapangarap ninyong parehas, right, no? That's why nagkaroon ng separation, no? That because of finances, no? Nagkaroon ng issue regarding sa pera at feeling ko ay malaki-laking pera yung nawala dito or issue ninyong dalawa, no? May kinalaman sa malaking halaga ng pera dito, right? Mga Pisces natin. So, ayun nakikita ko rito, no? Kasi parang may something kayo, no, before na parang may binubuo kayong partnership or kung businessman ito, right, no? Maybe for some of you, nag-invest kayo, no? At pangarap niyo parehas ito, no? But then may something na nangyari, no? That's why parang naguho no? Naguho yung pinapangarap ninyo, no? Malaki yung naging damage, no? That's why nagkaroon ng issue, no? Nagkaroon ng gulo and now nagkaroon ng separation, no? And this person, no, is returning, no? Something like that, no? Maybe to fix, no? Kung ano man, no? Something like that. Or yeah, ito yung nakikita ko na kasi na nangyari from the past, right, no? May kinalaman sa malaking halaga ng pera ng mga Pisces natin. So let's see what's the future outcome, no, sa inyo ng person na ito, right? Mga Pisces natin. Kuha tayo ng one card for you, Pisces, no? Future outcome, no? Sa inyo ng tao na ito. Let's see. So you have this, no, Page of Swords in reverse. No, so ang nakikita ko rito is no, still, no, may mga hindi pa rin unclear, no, unclear, sabihin natin unclear issues na hindi pa rin, no, parang wala pa rin kasiguraduhan, no. Kung magbabalik man ito, hindi fully 100% yung kanyang mga sasabihin, no. Kung may sasabihin man siya na kung mag-e-explain man itong tao na ito, hindi fully or hindi 100% yung mga explanation niya, no. Merong lacking pa rin, no, with the Page of Swords in reverse, right? Na may mga hindi pa rin siya kayang sabihin na katotohanan, no, sa inyo, no, mga Pisces, regarding that issue, no, something like that, no. So yeah, no, magbabalik siya but then hindi siya 100% na magiging clear or will not give you 100% clarity about the issue, no, kung ano man ito, if you are seeking for an explanation or reason behind those, no, na nangyari, no, before, no, sa past, no, na nag-cause ng separation, no, sa inyong dalawa, Pisces. So yeah, ayun yung nakikita ko rito, magbabalik but then hindi 100% will give you clarity, no, about that, no, something like that, no, mga Pisces natin. So let's see, no, what's the message advice for you ni universe, no, mga Pisces natin. Let's see. Kuha tayo ng one card for you, Pisces. Message advice for Pisces. Baby! So, yan, no, sorry for that, no, yung ating cat, yung cat ko. Ginilaw niya yung ating cam. So, yan, no, let's get one card here for you. Message advice from the universe, no, for you, mga Pisces natin, right? No, so let's see. So you have this, no, your potential is endless. No? So for some of you, no, sinasabi sa dito ni universe na if ever, no, this person will return, no, hindi mo nakakailanganin itong tao na ito, right? No, ayun yung mas nakikita ko rito, right? No, you have many potential, no, marami kang kayang gawin, and that is endless, no, walang katapusan. Kumaga for you, no, ang mga opportunities for you is endless, no, a lot of opportunities around you, no, mga Pisces natin, and you don't need this person anymore na nag-betray, no, for some of you, right, no, who did mistakes, no, at syempre, no, pag may sabihin natin lalo na sa kaperahan, no, this person is betrayed you, no, financially, no, something like that, and yeah, kung meron pang ibang dahilan, no, so that means na you don't need that person, no, so sinasabi sa'yo dito ni universe to trust yourself, right, no, you have potential, endless potential, and if you will just make it work hard for these potentials that you have, no, you don't need this person anymore, no, huwag mo na siyang hayaan bumalik pa at baka maulit lang ulit, no, something kasi hindi clear, no, wala siyang ibibigay na 100% clarity, no, sa naging sitwasyon ninyo before, no, so yeah, no, so just believe in yourself, no, that you can do it on your own, no, something like that, no, so ayun yung sinasabi sa'yo dito ni universe, no, mga Pisces natin, right, no, so yeah, that's it for you mga Pisces natin. So I hope na naka-resonate kayo sa reading ninyo today, mga Pisces natin. So, overall, no, mga water signs, Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces, yeah. No, so, iba-iba yung mga sitwasyon ninyo right now, no, mga Pisces na, I mean, water signs. So, yeah, maraming salamat. So, yeah, that's all, no. God bless you all, and thank you for watching Water Signs.